Ano nga ba ang laman ng aming go bag? Actually, I have 3 go bags. 1 for clothes and 2 for everything. The reason why I have 3 go bags because we are family of 4. Now, I will show you what's inside my go bag. This is go bag number 1. Meron siya ditong packet na net. Nilagyan ko siya dito ng plastic bags. And then here, meron pang packet. Ang laman nito ay ito. May lighter, fan, and nail cutter, and ziplocs. I bought this insulated bag online. Nilagay ko itong mga to dito sa pocket para madaling kunin. Merong tissue, wet tissue, napkins, panty liners, cotton buds, cotton balls, betadine, and mosquito repellent, flashlight, and extra plastic bags. And I have here medicines with scissors, ano yun, Vicks, basta mga medicines nandito. May band-aids pa dyan. And here, I have pouch here. I'll show you later what's inside. And this, another medicine bandage. And this, scarf, undies, and jackets, and lampin. Lampin ni Siya Pamunas. Yun ang laman ng go bag number 1. I'll show you what's inside this pouch. Okay, I have here powder, salon pass, Sia's cologne, merong, ito ay Swiss, I don't know, basta Swiss ang tawag dito yung lahat na nandyan. Meron ng screw, meron ng knife, pambukas ng delata, meron ng this, pambukas ng wine. And then this, it's knife, small knife. Yan, siguro pagsasamahin ko na lang ito dito sa isang pouch. Yan. Ito pa, lalagay ko sa isang pouch yan. Yan, inayos ko na ulit. Let's go to go bag number 2. Meron pa pala ako nito, Cool Fever, at saka itong mga ponytails, lalagay ko sa go bag number 1. Okay, ito na yung go bag number 1. Meron akong pouch dito, I'll show you later what's inside. Merong lotion ni Siya, conditioner, shampoo, sunscreens. You know why marami kami sunscreens dyan? Kasi minsan nagka-camping kami, minsan nagbe-beach. So ready. And here, baby oil, conditioner, Biofit tea, of course. Hindi mawawala yun, hindi pwede mawala yun. Meron pa ako ditong Reggie, ayan, nasa likod. And here, merong dishwashing sponge, and hand wash. And here, another wet wipes. Ito yung toothpaste, toothbrushes. And ito, ang tawag nito, mouthwash. And this extra spoon and chopsticks, sunglasses, shaver. Ito yung, yung soap na maliit lang siya. And then, floss, and my water, and then, hair clamp. Okay, itong pouch na to ay nakalagay sa go bag number 2. Okay, pinagsama ko na dito yung shampoo na sachet, tsaka yung sachet na deodorant for men. Ito naman yung deodorant namin ni Sam. Ito yung feminine wash. And then ito, medyo malaki siya kasi para sa aming lahat na body wash, facial wash, ito toner, sunscreen, moisturizer, another extra conditioner and shampoo, and soap. Go bag number 3. Dito nakalagay yung clothes namin, tsaka yung food. I'll show you guys. Okay. So, ganyan siya. Backpack siya na merong wheels. Ang hirap pa. Ayan. Umikit. Oh my gosh, kita yung ano ko. So, ayan. Yung nilagay ko dito ay clothes naming 4. And then socks, undies, 4 towelettes. Okay, here naman. Meron pa siya dito. Open dito, ayan. Merong food. Meron din ganito. Chocolate drink. May coffee, biscuits. Ayan. Naka-separate naman siya from clothes. So, ayan. Ayan, ganito siya. Meron siyang ayan. So, ayan siya. Meron siyang wheels. Madaling bibilin. So, ito ang aming go bags. Dala-dala namin siya pag pupunta kami ng mall far from our house. And then, kahit mag-uuwian kami ng Laguna, dala-dala din namin siya para at least ready.